This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add featured images in WordPress. First of all, I'm going to my post section, and now let's edit this post to add a featured image. Once you are in your post editor, scroll down and here you will get featured image. Click on it and click on set featured image, and now you can select an image from your gallery or media library. Also, you can upload a featured image from your computer. Let's upload a photo from my media library. Clicking on set featured image. And now let's update this post. And as you can see, the featured image has been added to this post. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.